Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2024 Keystone Bullet Crossfire, and this is the 2640 BH travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you do have full pass-through storage. As you can see, all aluminum substructure framing on the Bullet. We did option in the power stabilizing jacks as well. Diamond plate rock guard on the front, 2 propane tanks. It does have a solar panel on the roof, but they do include an additional port for the side if you'd like to add a second panel. Your freshwater and city water connections are right over here, along with your on-demand hot water heater. One slide on the 2640. Nice big windows in the slide box. Spare tire on the back. It is prepped for a backup camera up top. Fully walkable roof on the Bullets. And you've got a nice big exterior storage compartment area there. Here's those power stabilizer jacks. There's a button on the back and then also one on the front. Electric awning with LED lighting. The Bullet does have a 30,000 BTU furnace and also has the heated enclosed underbelly for extended season camping. Up front you do have queen bed. And there are 2 air conditioners on this unit, so one up in the bedroom and then one in the main living area. Plenty of nightstand storage with USB and outlets on each side. TV mounting bracket on this wall here if you'd like to add a second TV. Then you've got the nice couch dinette slide, U-shaped dinette. Double bunks. The bottom bunk will fold up so you can store larger items below it. The bunks do each have their own USB and outlets for the electronic devices. Full-size bathroom in the back. So sink, mirror, nice size shower with fan and toilet. And then tons of storage, pantry storage, adjustable shelves as well. And then 3-burner oven and microwave in the kitchen, along with a flat screen TV that is directly across from the couch right there. And you've got double sink with drains and plenty of countertop space. Then your control panel is right at the entrance door here, which will have your master light switches along with your electric awning and slide out buttons, and then your water pump and water heater as well. We'll do one more walk around to the floor plan. Coat storage there. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Keystone Bullet Crossfire 2640 BH travel trailer, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.